morning, boys and girls. Let's do page 19, day 19 of our packets. The very first thing we're going to be doing is, oh, look, they don't tell us what long vowel we're going to be using. So we're just going to have to look at the pictures, see if we can figure it out. But we do know it's a long vowel sound. So the vowel will say its name. It'll either say A, E, I, O, or U. This, we're going to write bake, bake. B, remember the stick comes first. Long A, bake, bake. We know it's not a C because of that taller box. Bake. It's a K, very good. And then we're gonna have a silent E at the end. Right here, it's going to be bike. Once again, we're gonna have a B. Buy, bike. That's a long I, another K, and then a silent E. I'm going to write those for you. I'm going to write bake, and I'm going to write bike, and I want you to see the things that are similar and the things that are different. They both begin with a B, they both have an E at the end, and they even both have a K. But see how that long vowel after the B is different? Bake, bike. So they do not rhyme, but they do have a lot of things that are similar. Read this story, answer the question, fill in the blank. And then at the bottom, look at that picture. I want you to make a sentence out of that picture using these words to help you. We have bake. This is a big one. Ingredients. Kitchen, pie, bowl. I cannot wait to see the sentences you make. On the back of this paper, we're gonna do the same thing we've been doing all week. We're gonna circle the number that is larger. I want you to figure that out. I'm not gonna help you today. Then right here, we need to see how many more dots we need to make on this side to have 16 dots all together. Then I want you to write down how many dots you made. Right here, we're going to match cube, pyramid, cylinder, square, cone with the 3D shape. And then right here, the bunny is starting on 10. We're gonna minus 5 hops. So he's gonna hop back 5 times and then write the answer on the line. This is your critical paper of the day. It's the paper that I'm going to be grading for accuracy. So I want you to do your very best on this paper, especially today. Now at the top, super easy peasy. Write the number that the word is telling you to write. If you forget any of them, it is okay to go back and use that number word paper that I sent home in the packets from a couple of weeks ago. But I think you've done so many of these, and you could even read so many of these that you'll be able to figure it out on your own. I cannot wait to see. Right here it says write the missing number. See, the first number is missing here, the middle number is missing here, and the last number is missing here. Middle, last, beginning. Be very careful so you don't get confused. Look at section 3. We're going to add. Easy peasy. Look right here at the bottom. For that one, you're going to write what time it is. Look at where that hour hand is pointing. Don't get confused because it's in the middle. See if you remember which one it's really pointing at. And then when the minute hand is all the way at the bottom of the clock and it's half past, see if you can remember that number is. And let's look at the last section. It says circle 20 cents. Now these are not pennies, so you will not count by ones. You will not go 1, 2, 3. You will not do that. Try to remember what that coin is worth and then count by that number, circling until you get to 20 cents. You do not need to do the back of this paper. The very next paper is a phonics paper. And it says you're going to circle special sounds and mark the vowels. And then you're going to read both words. And then match the picture to its name. So see, for this one, there were no special sounds. So we only had to mark a vowel. For this one, there was a special sound, der. So it's circled. Then look, no more special sounds. So we just marked that vowel. Now that we've marked vowels and circled special sounds, let's read this word. Dill. Dill, like a dill pickle. It means it's sour. Drill. Drill. So dill or drill, which one matches the picture? That's right. So I'm going to draw a line from the word to the picture after I mark and circle the letters in both words. Do the rest by yourself. You do not have to do the back of the next paper. And then very last, I want you tracing capital Z and little z, always starting on that red dot, following the direction of those arrows. Then I want you to try to trace, right, right, trace, right, right, and trace. Then I want you to trace and write, and then read the sentence, trace the sentence, and write the sentence. And you do not need to do the back of your handwriting paper. Thank you for focusing and working so hard today, boys and girls. I love you. Bye.